Skipping jury duty in California? You could face fines or jail. Here's why.
Nobody likes getting a jury duty summons in the mail. It's inconvenient, time-consuming, and let's be honest, most people don't want to spend their day sitting in a courtroom. But before you decide to ignore that summons or toss it in the trash, let's talk about what can happen if you don't show up. Jury duty isn't just a suggestion, it's a legal obligation. In California, if you are qualified to serve on a jury, you are required to show up unless you've been excused. So who qualifies? You must be a U.S. citizen, at least 18 years old, and have lived in the state and county where you were summoned for at least 1 year. You also need to be proficient in English, physically and mentally able to serve, and free of any felony convictions that disqualify you. If you meet these requirements, you are legally required to report for jury duty unless you have been excused for a valid hardship. The courts recognize that jury duty isn't always practical for everyone, so they do allow for certain exemptions. You may be excused if you have a physical or mental impairment, particularly if you're over 70 years old. You may also qualify for an exemption if serving on a jury would cause an extreme financial burden, if you lack reasonable transportation, if you would have to travel an excessive distance, or if you have no one to provide care for a dependent while you serve. Other valid excuses include public health or safety concerns and situations where jury duty would pose an undue risk to your physical property. But here's the key takeaway. If you don't respond to your jury duty summons and haven't been excused, there are real consequences. The first time you miss jury duty, you could be fined $250. If you ignore a second summons, the fine increases to $750. A third violation? That jumps to $1,500. These fines are set under California law, and the courts take them seriously. And it doesn't stop there. If you continue to ignore jury duty, the court can issue a bench warrant for your arrest. That means law enforcement could take you into custody and require you to appear in court. At that point, you could be found in contempt of court, which carries even harsher penalties, up to a $1,000 fine, 5 days in jail, or both. So is skipping jury duty worth the risk? Probably not. If you truly can't serve, request an exemption, or ask to reschedule. The courts understand that people have responsibilities, but simply ignoring a summons is not the way to handle it. If you've already missed jury duty and now you're facing a bench warrant or contempt hearing, you need to act fast. There are legal defenses that may help, and an experienced attorney can work to reduce penalties or even get the issue dismissed. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule a consultation with us today. We can review your situation, explain your legal options, and help you navigate the process to avoid fines or jail time. Call now to get the help you need.
Don't forget to like and share this video, and for more legal insights, keep watching and subscribe to our channel.